We're in Rolla, Missouri at Missouri S&T Student Experience Center. It's a new geothermal plant for several new buildings to come on site. This job is a good example of prefab and how it can save time. This building was all drawn up before it ever broke ground.
So the prefabrication, what that really does for us is it lets us do a lot of the work off-site so that we minimize the amount of work and the amount of time that we have to be on-site. You know, once the BIM modeling and the coordination is done, it's really important for us to get the hangars all modeled in, because for one thing, the hangars really a lot of times determine how the coordination is going to go. We have a count for the embeds that accept the hanger rod. So we'll shoot those embeds onto the deck with a total station. Anywhere during that time, we can be building all of the hangars. So instead of waiting for the room to be ready, we'll be fabricating the hangars out here in our shop. The hangars have information about what pipe goes in the hangar, where it goes, all this kind of stuff, so that when the room is ready, they can put those in place very fast. And then again, at the same time, because these are all happening in separate places, we're able to start building the pipe spools. Once the hangars are up, we can start throwing pipe in there immediately. Welding done. In the case of this job, we're able to use Victaulic couplings, and they put those things up so fast. We'll get a truckload up in a day. Welding in the shop almost can't keep up with how fast they put it up, so we're increasing that capacity to keep up with how fast just a few field guys can put these spools in the air.
The Rolla job is a really unique plant. It's not just a typical boiler chiller type thing, because it is on that geothermal loop, and so it's pretty sophisticated. We started in the mechanical room 3.5, I think, maybe 4 weeks late, and we made up the bulk of that time. I'm not going to say we made it all up, but we made up a ton of that time by having it sitting out in the yard, driving it down, and bolting it together. And so we embrace that technology. And I think by far we do it better than our competitors, but I'm going to say that, of course, you know. But I think that's true, and I think that you talk to some of the general contractors, the people that we work for in university, and they'll tell you the same thing.